stage 2. Chanman, Kuya Albert, mga lumabas sa brackets. Alright, again. Chanman, Kuya Albert, and Bojo, Cardo, and Julie. Congratulations, semi-final. Okay, start na tayo, level D. Attention to the owner of Mitsubishi. Standby, JC, Jonathan, Zian Aston, please proceed to the match control. Zian Ashton, please proceed to the match control.
Pasok.
Next available court, Rose and Paige, Janelle and Ray. Next available court.
Nice. Nice. Nice one.
JC, nandiyan na ba si Aston at saka si Ashton? Si Sian. Ba? Court 2? Court 2? Court number 2 is JC, Jonathan from ASET, Sian and Ashton. Ang lalaro guys na. Reminders lang po sa mga hindi pa nagbabayan. Opo, dahil nakakabulin ko talaga kayo. Oo. Hindi ko
Galing. Ay.
Please proceed to the match control. Kaloy Kenneth, Gamay, Johnny, Lucky, Bire Tonyo, Irvin, and Kuya.
Out.
Stand by Kuya Hubert and Carr, Chad, Tristan and Manuel from ADQ. Stand by. Philip and Paul, stand by. Rose and Maze. Again, Kaloy Kenneth, Gab Mike, Johnny Rocky, Sander guys, please proceed to the match control. Okay. Yeah. Again, Rose and May, Janelle, and Ray on court number 3. Stand by, Hubert and Chad, Tristan and Manuel. Stand po, ang representative. Kaloy, okay, Kenneth, Gabay, Irvin, PR, representative, please. So, may anin dito. Sino yung same number? Yun yung mga pangalan. Okay? So, representative Ani, Rocky, Irvin,